$100 on a pair of sunglasses that will last a week until they get lost. Totally worth it. I mean, it was trendy at the time. But $40 on a product that improves your breathing? Pfft, too expensive. Over $100 a month spent on subscriptions, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify. I mean, I have to be entertained, but investing less than $50 on a product that improves your focus and makes your life a lot easier. That's where I draw the line. Over $35 a week spent on coffee that's damaging your insides. I mean, it gives me energy, so it's fine. But $40 on a nasal strip product that lasts over a month and gives you energy naturally? Does it look like I'm made out of money? Just remember that your priorities say a lot about you and your future. Where energy goes, energy flows.